What is the kind of one who has a walk as a dozen till when I tear from two danena to create the hockey. It said the China men no back.
Father, we could too, but you know, much honor. Saying an SCI.
The idea minty minka, the Nama Quintanayan. Cousin Mitty Match Richard Zemeka.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Murd3r. Maybe I will be able to check a Siena Emma. America can be who say assembly at Ghana. Immigration service man be a sabe na downfall ekunu ya. Assembly abako na afena police service. Wam so my omhwehwe mo wi asabe. Omko retrieve various nyama efi room na asabe e wudi sem no esi ye. Yankone kwatie police for no mrani.
And the Kobiantish police visited the suspect's residence. A forensic inspection revealed the following: glass stains in the living room and evidence of attempted cleanup, freshly sprayed walls, and empty can of spray paint. A search of a secondary crime scene near the GBC satellite area also uncovered a burnt woolen carpet stained with blood and partially burnt camouflage fabric. These items were photographed, retrieved, and processed for forensic analysis. On 24 July, police obtained a warrant from the court to search a particular room in the suspect's house. A search in the room revealed more blood stains which were photographed and samples were collected for forensic analysis. A further search in the bushes about 100 meters from the suspect's house also led to the retrieval of a fufu pestle with blood stains all over it wrapped in polythene. Police also impounded the suspect's vehicle in which some blood stains were also seen, and same was collected for analysis. I wish to state that the initial blood samples collected have tested positive for human blood. To aid the investigation, the deceased mother and son have provided samples for DNA profiling. In the face of these pieces of evidence, the suspect who was initially charged with kidnapping has since been rearrested and formally charged with murder. He is currently on remand following his appearance before the Adabraka District Court and is scheduled to reappear on 8 August 2025. A special operation is currently underway to identify and arrest his accomplices, and we are following other vital leads to gather all necessary evidence against the suspect and his accomplices. The Ghana Police Service wishes to assure the public that the investigation remains ongoing and that every effort is being made to ensure that all the perpetrators are brought to justice. The Criminal Investigation Department once again has busted the vehicle robbery syndicate following the arrest of a convicted fugitive, Abubakar Sadiq, who is linked to a series of vehicle robbery cases across multiple regions in Ghana. The suspect and his accomplices operated under the guise of being members of a non-governmental organization or religious group. Their modus was to approach car rental companies and drivers pretending to rent their vehicles for missionary work in parts of northern Ghana, only to rob them of their vehicles mid-journey, often in remote locations in the northern region. In one instance, on 11th November 2022, the suspect rented a Toyota Land Cruiser from a car rental company for missionary work in the northern region. When they got to a place near Murd3r close to Yendri, when another Toyota Land Cruiser was taken under the same pretext. In April 2023, a Toyota Viz was also stolen and later sold in Bolgatanga using the same modus. Through investigation and sustained intelligence efforts, the police identified the key suspect as Abubakar Sadiq.
Ewiase ehunti wo ko ba bi ahwe ho yie. Abrati ekuni na danfo pa na orchestrate yama nyeni ebeto no to no. According to sources so won follow a seven na danfo ordineka 20,000 ache so a won tua. Na no na abrati ne ball na danfo mu huma se me so me wa kire me fam sika mame. Enti bribi na danfo ne ka kire ne so brana beje usika. Na odu ho no emise ho na nyamna sem ne baaye enti na danfo ne ku ni wie no eno o take ya fa allegedly o take guy ne nama eno taxi guy ne yire ka kire ne se me asemese di sika na mame no ade ma me no wasa ni bi aka ho ba woni mi bi boni nsuma se ne yire ne hwe brofo tantanya na nipa ne tro hu say we da bi ne kunu or educated man enye ne kunu ocho brofo tantan say enti a one say there is something wrong and no follow up ama ye de action na the second accuser na didn't do court no me say enye we a papa bi kwaso body hwuam
Please allow him, please. It's okay.
Say, never try to come on now. Oh, I'm on Sababo. If you want me by any move, you want me to hear him. I'm on Sababa. Say, come on, don't wait. You're better than him. Oh, I'm on Sababo. I said, I took the call. Yenibio, I took the call. Yenibio, yes, I'm a boy. What's it? Boy, I'm on some boy, and Yenibi. Slamon, Alabama Nibi. You will be clear and let me bring your mammy to me, Nante. I shall not hold to continue to her. My boy. Yet to me, has him. And the next day, I won't try it. Hey!
I know what for so Bob Brand Shum. Now, Brand Eki. Shani Penny. Oh, dear go. If you are so, ni papa Parker say, Yanto. And ni papa Sabi Abuzabe Yano, and Yan home for Swan, Sabi Nakwasia to Sabra, a bright in Wapuno. Because Ushama, only that down from Uncle Hebo boom, almost two almost said the boom, Sabi, one copy girls, almost per boom. Ain't he on him said, Madame for the ultimate me bonnet da. Na adena mehwe mu na no ne wofa ase bia sabe yeku ni wie no okoti hwe ade no so narration of mine me yema hyeme ni banyo yankwade kotie narration bra ya ba beto aso
wode se kan wo no ko ho ase won se e wo kese e do so ntie hona tia fam tu dane na tokuro da ho kese e te se de etwa na mene no ba
father wo ko to body no Murd3r hono say na esi aye
dia ene de mintimi nkyere mintimi nka de na makonta na ye no kase metimi achirichiri mse me ka de mo na mintimi nka
ebeto social media say na omode sekan awo
no ko ho ha nti won say obi hu obeka se yetwa na mene but ye ntwa na mene wode sekan awo no ko ho ase won say e wo kese e do so nti hona tia fam tu dane na tokuro da ho kese e te se de yetwa na mene no bai we ntwa wode sekan na wo ho because mimi gina funu ho chei me gina hwe ni ye pa chei wode sekan wo ho nti ebi anti amfam ba de tete fam ndi aye kese nti wuchim ni ko no se na ho na bie kese nti wugina nchen a obaka se yetwa na mene but we ntwa na mene wode sekan we na se sekan ti we ne no ofiri nipa ko ofiri achi no wode wo no ko ni wonyina nanim
because of him them ojina ho dia wonyina nanim anka
ofiri achi no wode wo no ko
father sisi case no say na esi aye
sisi na enura me ye wo ho ye ho bibi ye se ye di kan na court ama ya ma arema
intel say 2010 e be make sure so say there cameras be ba hono kwabenya
district court but the ICC and say enura o mache suspect ba ko kan ho
ba say nya ono
nkwa na o mache suspect ba ko kan ho ba di o mun so ne say case no e free sa police police Taifa police station where they call a central headquarters CID headquarters Accra hono say case ni ko ntino bibia ebebe chire ni say ye nyanka busu na ye prese ke umbetima ma ye kwan na nka bia afunu ya je abe no say asem no court ni say ebetima ba je say busu na besre on the 23rd no e wo court ma court ma kwan dia ebetima ko yifunu no na ya ba be ho adwuma na asie
sisi a father ensem na aba social media obi aka
nipa ye within nipa papa dem ye say Ghana for ye peaceful country because Ghana is not a peaceful country e would for Ghana to unam Ghana hwe ho ye bo ho ban odi obi ka na anwumre o friend no se bagie anwumre a enko oye woni akọ enko because ewiase aban ewiase ehu se obekọ so a woni obi enka honam nko because ewiase no masa nipa chimu yesum say Adamon ni Satan was shame ko 40 mu no mu diboni because I can be sa ho o de meka e na me se mabeche me buy oh me nua we na menya som ikaka metua anka we na ye de ene wakoku nipa na woni bibi guy no ni moja ni so brutal god ba ko kan wa so okun no guy ko agbowu it means say moja mu yedru hwa ewiase wo ho de bia me ka asem say before you act think twice ebi wo ha o ebi kwa na wa anye so okun no but ebi wo ha nipa ne ba ye no akasakasa mu emufuo no de akun no mini hobby but nyame pa che wa ne say be wise and be ahead of time. Se obika to se brana beti sika bia ukwa enkwa ekwene kwene mobile money kacha se send me mobile money me pa cho be receive ko sika eye moja sika so etete we nipa tem uyi mafi wa sika na ede wiase na wo aba e ma so ka ho ba sika enne abrante wajane ne ma wajane yire wajana brabo obani kama kwasia binti Wateno, but Musa Marano and the Papa Bedi. I Xposed HFM Bible subscribe share. Maybe 2 months I can be Manuasi.